How to find audience and visibility settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find audience and visibility settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click notifications, not notifications, sorry, click here you will find it audience and visibility, and as you see you can manage here profile locking or profile information or anything you want here, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.